Hey beautiful friend, I have a gorgeous one row repeat beginner friendly new shawl pattern for you today. I'm going to be a little quieter today because we have family visiting. They're asleep in the next room. This adorable pattern is by yours truly and it's named Gratify. This is actually the crochet version of our Worth wrap, which was really popular several years ago when we released it. So if you prefer to knit, you might want to check that one out. I really feel like the act of creating something through crocheting, through knitting, is deeply gratifying because it transforms simple strands into something meaningful. Each stitch is a moment of mindfulness. It's a tangible reminder of time well spent. The stitching process soothes the mind, it fuels creativity, and it gives such a sense of accomplishment as your hands bring an idea to life. For today's pattern, I wanted to design something super simple, super easy, using only basic stitches. You'll only use single crochets and chains to create this, so anybody can do it. I chose to turn this beautiful design into a shawl, but if you like, you can easily adjust the width just by changing the number of chains that you start with initially. So you could turn it into a scarf if you prefer, or even a blanket. And then of course the length is super easy to adjust. You can just stop crocheting when you love the length. If you want to keep this design super simple and super soothing, just make the whole thing in one color. You don't even have to change colors, but I am going to show you how easy it is to switch colors if you want to get a similar look to what we have in this shawl. These moody, scrumptious colors are actually a kit named Starlight Hues that we hand dyed onto our Buttery Sport yarn. It's supremely soft and bouncy and long wearing, so it makes a great addition to your wardrobe or to give as a gift. I would love to give away a set of the Starlight Hues, so to enter, just make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and then comment below letting me know how long you have been crocheting. To download this pattern and get the yarn, you can do so at expressionfiberarts.com. And of course, while you're there, be sure to sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. And before we jump into the tutorial, I know I say this on a lot of patterns, but I love doing this. Simple designs like this are a great chance to focus your intentions. I recommend that you choose a word that means something to you right now, whether it's joy, peace, love, fun, creativity, and repeat that word as you stitch. So you can have the same word for the whole project. You can change words every row. Just use this time to focus your intention and your mind on what you wish. Here's how I like to work this pattern. We're going to start with some chains. We'll begin by loosely chaining 10 or any even number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and you'll chain 90 for the actual shawl. For row 1, we're going to start by skipping those first 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to single crochet into the 4th chain. Then we're going to chain 1. You'll skip this next chain and you're going to single crochet into the next chain. And we'll just continue repeating that. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next stitch. So just work that all the way down. For row 2, you're going to start with a chain 2, and we're going to single crochet into that first chain 1 space. And then you're going to repeat across your row, chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and you'll continue repeating that all the way down. When you get to the end, we're going to work into these 3 skipped chains here. So I'm going to work a single crochet, a chain 1, and then another single crochet, and I'm going to show you how to change colors. So when you're working your final single crochet, go ahead and start it, and then drop that color, pick up your next color, and pull through with your new color. So you're all set up to work the next row with your new color. Continue repeating row 2, changing colors if and when you like. We do give instructions on how we changed colors in the pattern. So I've worked a few more rows and you can see how beautiful it is even though it's super simple. I do recommend that you count your single crochets each row just to make sure you're getting the same number per row. Happy crocheting, beautiful soul. I hope this stitch pattern is a fun new addition to your crochet repertoire. Have a great time making it. Enjoy your beautiful week, and I will see you next week with another new design. Bye!